Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program Genesis GV80 garage door opener, updated. Start by locating the opener's Learn button, usually near the antenna or on the back panel, and put the remote and vehicle transmitter within reach. Press and release the Learn button, then within 30 seconds press the remote button you want to program. Watch the opener lights blink or the motor jog as confirmation, and test the remote twice to ensure reliable operation. Before you begin, gather the garage remote, vehicle transmitter, and ladder if needed, and make sure the opener has power. Clear the area beneath the door and position someone to observe the door during programming. Keep a small flashlight and screwdriver handy for access panels. Follow vehicle manufacturer instructions for in-car programming steps when applicable. If programming fails, replace remote battery and repeat procedure from step 1 to avoid repeated troubleshooting. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker showcased here to bring your space to life with great sound and voice control. It's a handy addition near your garage for timers and alerts. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. Start programming by pressing the opener's Learn button briefly to enter programming mode, then immediately press your remote button. If programming a vehicle, follow the car's transmitter sync steps after the opener blinks or jogs. Some vehicles require ignition on or door open. For rolling code systems, press the remote twice as instructed and confirm operation from both inside and outside the garage. Repeat for additional remotes or keyless entries, and always test fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.